Welcome to The Person Behind the Name, a reflective and engaging activity designed for non-formal education. This game encourages self-awareness, builds confidence, and fosters connections among participants. Let's walk through how you can lead this activity step by step. Begin by creating a calm environment. Play soft, instrumental music in the background to help participants feel relaxed and comfortable. The goal is to encourage thoughtful reflection without any pressure. Hand out a sheet with unfinished sentences to each participant. These prompts are designed to help them reflect on their strengths, interests, and positive attributes. Remind participants they can skip any sentence they're not comfortable with. Give participants enough time to reflect and answer the prompts. Encourage them to be honest and genuine. Reflection is key, so ensure there's no rush. Once everyone has finished, invite participants to share their answers. This is voluntary, so no one should feel obligated. You can use different methods to encourage sharing, like asking for 3 surprising discoveries or focusing on one specific question for group discussion. It's important to maintain a positive tone throughout. If answers become negative or participants seem hesitant, gently guide them towards finding positive aspects of themselves. For shy individuals, encourage creativity through drawing instead of speaking. End the activity by leading a reflection. Ask questions like, how did you feel during the activity? Or what new insights did you gain about yourself or your peers? Reflection helps participants internalize the experience and its benefits. The person behind the name is more than a game. It's a journey into self-discovery and mutual appreciation. Remember, every individual story is unique and worth sharing. Thank you for exploring this activity with us.